Hello guys, and welcome to the tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from Bybit to Tonkeeper wallet. Alright, so how can you do this? Head to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. From your account setting, click on assets so you can take a look at how much USDT you actually hold on your Bybit. Once you've taken note of this, click on the withdrawal option and then use the search icon at the top of the screen to search for USDT. Select the Tether USDT. Once you selected this option, make sure you're performing an on-chain transfer and not an internal transfer, as on-chain is simply blockchain to blockchain, wallet to wallet, Web3 wallet to exchange wallet. All right, so now you're met with the option to input an address, a network, and an amount. So as we know, the Tonkeeper wallet makes use of USDT on the Ton blockchain. So you're going to have to select the Ton network down here. So click on Ton. And then you're going to be required to input an address as well as a memo if it's present, and then enter the minimum withdrawal, which is just one. All right, so minimize and then open up your Tonkeeper wallet. Once you've opened up your Tonkeeper wallet, a little piece of advice: make sure you have some Toncoin or the native token of the USDT you're receiving. So if you're receiving USDT on the Ethereum, you're going to need to have Ethereum to cover your gas fees if you're sending it out of the wallet. So if you're going to be sending out of here, make sure you have some Toncoin. If you do not, simply buy or sell your Toncoins on the platform. All right, so we have USDT. Click on Ton USDT, click on receive, copy the address, minimize, and then open up your Bybit and paste the address there. There was no option to copy a tag or memo, which means we do not need a tag for this transaction. Then simply enter the amount. The minimum withdrawal is 1 USDT. So you could just enter 100 and the withdrawal fees are quite low. And then all you need to do is just simply withdraw and you're done. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.